Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find accounts and backup. Let's tap on it. Then let's tap on this backup data in the Google Drive section and tap on add account. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation, and here we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it quickly. Okay, let's tap on next. Here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course we can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got the info. Let's tap on agree after reading. And here we've got the information about the backup, so basically we are able to use 15 GB of the Google account to backup apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. Of course, you can tap on more details to learn more. Your device will backup the data automatically, store it securely, and you can manage it whenever you want to. So just tap on turn on. And here we've got another backup section, kind of, where you can check how much space you've got left. You can manage the storage, so for example, remove some unnecessary files. Here we've got the backup details, so you can check what has already been backed up, the advanced settings, and to be honest, I highly recommend to keep this option turned off, so you will be sure that you will not access the mobile data limit whilst backing up the data. And to finish everything, simply tap on backup now, and of course confirm it if you've got the screen lock, and as you can see, your device is backing up the data. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.